When it comes to emergency roof repair in Amherst, New York, identifying a reputable, licensed company can be a challenge. It's also tempting to hire an unlicensed, cheap emergency roof repair contractor, but you must act quickly before the situation worsens. With a few tips in mind, you can find an excellent emergency roof repair service in Amherst, New York. Read on to learn more about emergency roof repairs. Emergency roof repair. If you need emergency roof leak repair in Amherst, New York, call the professionals at Weather Resistors. These professionals have 20 years of experience and will assess the damage to the roof. A certified roofing company will recommend a suitable course of action, including roof repair or replacement. If the damage is caused by a covered loss, your insurance carrier may cover the cost of the repair. To avoid being out of pocket, contact your insurance provider for more information. Emergency roof leak repair in Amherst is a necessity for homeowners. The problem may not be as serious as it seems, but it can cause significant damage to your home. Luckily, there are many emergency roof repair services in the area. Emergency roof repair is one of the most common situations for homeowners and business owners, and it's important to call a company you can trust to address your roof issue quickly. Emergency roof repair Amherst, New York. When your home is experiencing leaks, the most effective way to stop them is emergency roof leak repair in Amherst, New York from a reputable company. Emergency roofing contractors are the first line of defense when you have a leak. They provide free estimates, which will give you peace of mind. Emergency roof repair in Amherst, New York is vital for the safety of your home and family. The last thing you want is to be stuck without a roof. Call Klaus Roofing Systems of Western New York LLC for immediate emergency roof repair. Emergency roof repair contractor in Amherst, New York. Many people in Amherst, New York have difficulty finding a reliable, emergency roof leak repair contractor. They usually make the mistake of hiring a cheap, unlicensed emergency roof leak repair contractor, but this is a mistake you should avoid. In this day and age, you need to get your roof repaired as soon as possible, so you don't have to wait until the problem worsens. Amherst, New York, is a suburb of Buffalo and is one of the largest towns in western New York. The population is over 125,000. Amherst is home to University at Buffalo, the largest SUNY school with over 30,000 students. This highly regarded research university is a short drive from Buffalo. Those in need of an emergency roof leak repair contractor in Amherst can call Collingwood Construction, a local roofing contractor. Buffalo Roofing is another great option for emergency roof leak repair in Amherst. The company has been serving the area for over 20 years and provides a wide range of roofing services. Their team members use high-quality roofing materials, including GAF-certified shingles. They also install gutters and siding. Emergency roof leak repair is another specialty of their team. You can count on these experienced professionals to get the job done right the first time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.